Hello and welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the different ways you can promote your Office services directly to your existing members within OfficeRnD. Whether you're launching a new offer or simply looking to boost visibility, we'll show you the built-in tools that make it easy to communicate and engage with your community, all from within the platform. Our custom pages provide an excellent way to showcase the option for your existing clients to request a private office. To find custom pages, first go to Settings, then open the Experience Hub menu. Next, select Member Pages and scroll down to the bottom of that page. Custom pages let you embed parts of your website directly into the member portal, or display static content to highlight your services and keep customers informed. Let's start with the first option, creating a static text page. You can give it a clear title, choose an icon, and customize the content freely to best showcase your message. Here's a quick tip: you can add a mail to link, so when members click it, their default email client opens with your address pre-filled. It's a simple way to encourage quick contact. Finally, make sure this page is set to the full access privacy, so that it can be viewed by all members, active and drop-ins. The second option is to create an external page. Just like the static page, you can give it a name and icon, but instead of adding text, you'll set the page type to external and enter the URL you want members to be directed to. For testing purposes, we've added our own website so that you can see what it looks like in a few minutes. Like with the other page, set the privacy to full access. Let's take a look at how this will appear to your members. This way, you can decide which option works best for you and remove the one you don't need. When you open the member portal, there will be two additional menus on the left-hand side. The first one is the static text page, with the mail to link included. The second option is the external page. Because of the test setup, it loads the OfficeRnD website, so make sure to replace the URL with the one you want to display. That was our short guide to promoting your office space offerings in OfficeRnD's member portal. For more detailed guides, visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.